Hello everyone! Finding the perfect phone holder in 2026 isn't just about a plastic clip. It's about ergonomic health and supporting the latest high-tech standards. Whether you're working at a desk or relaxing in bed, we've analyzed real-world performance to find the top 5 best phone holders. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the SAIJI Gooseneck. This is our pick for bedside and flexible viewing. If you love watching movies in bed or need an overhead camera angle for content creation, this is for you. It features a massive 38.6-inch leather-wrapped arm. Inside is a high-quality aluminum magnesium alloy core that's designed to be bent into S or Z shapes for maximum stability. The leather wrap isn't just for looks. It provides extra friction so the arm doesn't slip when you're adjusting it. The base clamp is super versatile, opening up to 2.7 inches to fit almost any headboard or desk edge. It even has anti-slip silicone pads to protect your furniture from scratches. Just remember, for the best experience with heavy phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, keep the arm loops tight to prevent sagging. It's a fantastic long-reach solution for your home. At number 4 is the Nulaxy Dual Folding Stand. This is the best for travel and portability. If you're a commuter or a digital nomad, you need something that disappears in your bag. This stand is fully collapsible and folds down to less than an inch thick. Despite its small size, it's built from premium aluminum that's great for heat dissipation during long video calls. One of the best things about the Nulaxy is the wide 19mm hooks. This means you don't have to take off your heavy-duty rugged case just to use the stand. It's rock solid for phones and even works for small tablets in landscape mode. It's a simple, durable, and affordable workhorse that belongs in every laptop bag. Moving to number 3, it's the OCYCLONE adjustable stand. This is our pick for posture correction and ergonomics. If you find yourself hunching over your phone, this stand is a lifesaver. Unlike standard holders, the OCYCLONE features a telescoping rod that raises your phone up to 5.5 inches high. This brings the screen closer to eye level, which significantly reduces neck and backache. The angle is fully adjustable up to 235 degrees, so you can always find the perfect view without screen glare. It uses a hybrid design of aluminum for strength and a weighted base for stability. It's even designed with a wide charging port area, so your cable won't get bent or strained while you use it. It's the ideal choice for students or anyone spending hours at a desk. Coming in at number 2, we have the Lamicall 360 rotation stand. This is our pick for professional stability and desk setup. If you want a stand that feels like a permanent piece of high-end equipment, this is it. It's crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, giving it the mass and inertia to stay completely still while you type or tap. The standout feature is the click-stop rotation. When you swivel the stand, it makes a satisfying mechanical clicking sound, locking into place every 15 degrees. It uses a dual pivot arm that allows you to position your phone at almost any height or angle imaginable. It's incredibly sturdy, incredibly stylish, and provides a premium haptic experience. For those who prioritize a rock-solid professional design, the Lamicall 360 is an outstanding choice. And finally, taking the top spot is the UGREEN magnetic stand, our overall champion for the modern smartphone ecosystem. With the universal adoption of Qi 2 and MagSafe technology across all flagship devices in 2026, this stand offers the ultimate floating display experience. It features a massive 1,600-gram magnetic force. That's about 7 times the weight of a flagship phone, ensuring your device is always secure. The base supports a smooth 360-degree rotation, making it perfect for multitasking, video calls, or switching to horizontal standby mode instantly. The hinges are purposefully engineered to be stiff, ensuring your phone never sags even at the most aggressive viewing angles. Crafted from a single block of aluminum alloy, it looks incredibly sleek on any modern desk. If you want the most future-proof, convenient, and high-tech holder available today, the UGREEN magnetic stand is the clear winner. So which one fits your life? If you want the best bedside reach, go with the SAIJI. For a portable travel companion, the Nulaxy is great. But for the absolute best in magnetic technology and modern convenience, the UGREEN magnetic stand takes the crown as our #1 pick. Check the links in the description for the latest availability. If this video helped you choose, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.